you know the Tesla Model 3? Think again. The 2026 version is sleeker, smarter, and more refined, proving that even the most popular EV can still evolve. Hey everyone, welcome back to Next Gen Reviews. Today we're taking a closer look at the refreshed 2026 Tesla Model 3, a car that's gone from minimalist trendsetter to mature electric all-star. If you're thinking about making the jump to EVs, this just might be the perfect place to start. Design. Tesla gave the Model 3 a cleaner, sharper look for 2026. With a redesigned front end, slimmer headlights, and more aerodynamic lines, it's instantly recognizable but noticeably more upscale. The flush door handles and streamlined profile help maximize range while still turning heads. Performance. Under the hood, or rather under the floor, you'll find improved battery tech offering up to 341 miles of range on the long-range model. Acceleration is still thrilling, with the performance trim hitting 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds. Rear and all-wheel drive options give you flexibility depending on your driving style and climate. Features and tech. Inside, it's all about refinement. Tesla upgraded the materials for a quieter, more premium feel. The centerpiece is still the massive touchscreen, now faster and more intuitive than ever. And yes, you still get Autopilot and optional full self-driving, though it's still best used with hands on the wheel. Conclusion. The 2026 Tesla Model 3 is more than a refresh. It's a signal that EVs are entering their next era, smarter, smoother, and more enjoyable for everyday life. If you're impressed, let us know in the comments. Hit like, share with anyone considering an EV, and subscribe to Next Gen Reviews for more real-world car insights. Until next time, drive clean, drive smart.